Hey everyone, ready to ditch those pricey straight talk plans and jump on the affordable Mint Mobile bandwagon? Let's dive into exactly how to do that in a cinch. First, you'll need to unlock your phone and check your phone's compatibility with Mint Mobile on their website. You can find out if your phone has all the right features, even if it's unlocked. Next, gather your Straight Talk account information. This includes your account number and your port-out PIN. You typically find this information on your Straight Talk account, or you may have to contact customer service. Don't use email to contact them because it will take a long time for them to get back to you. Once you're ready to switch, order a Mint Mobile SIM card kit or eSIM. Then, head to the Mint Mobile website or app and select the Activate option. You'll be prompted to enter your account number and PIN from Straight Talk along with your phone number. Mint Mobile will then start the porting process, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. You'll want to keep your old phone on, and in the meantime, you are free to use the features on your new Mint Mobile phone. Once the port is complete, your Straight Talk service will automatically be deactivated, and your Mint Mobile plan will begin. You may need to insert the SIM card into your phone or activate the eSIM, depending on what you've chosen. If you run into anything, don't panic. Review the Mint Mobile website or use the Mint Mobile app for full support. Remember, it's key to ensure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid potential delays or issues. Congrats on the switch, and enjoy your savings on Mint Mobile.